Activating a Visa travel card is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. To begin, ensure you have received your Visa travel card and it is in your possession. The first step is to read the documentation provided with your card, as it will contain important information about activation and use. Next, locate the phone number or website provided by the card issuer for activation purposes. This information is usually found on a sticker on the card or in the documentation provided. Call the phone number or visit the website to initiate the activation process. When activating your card, you will be required to provide some personal and card details, such as your name, card number, and expiration date. You may also be asked to create a PIN, which will be used to authorize transactions and access your account. It is essential to have your card details and personal identification ready before starting the activation process. This will ensure a smooth and efficient activation experience. In some cases, you may be required to provide additional documentation, such as a copy of your passport or government-issued ID, to verify your identity. Once your card is activated, you will receive a confirmation message or email indicating that your card is ready for use. It is recommended that you sign the back of your card and keep it in a safe place to prevent unauthorized use. To add an extra layer of security, consider setting up account alerts and monitoring your account activity regularly. This will help you detect any suspicious transactions and prevent potential fraud. Additionally, make sure to keep your PIN and card details confidential to prevent unauthorized access to your account. In the event that you encounter any issues during the activation process, do not hesitate to contact the card issuer's customer support team for assistance. They will be able to guide you through the process and resolve any problems you may be experiencing. By following these simple steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can ensure a secure and convenient transaction experience with your Visa travel card. Always keep your card and account information safe, and be aware of your surroundings when using your card to minimize the risk of unauthorized use.